Some medicines depend on a patient's age as to whether or not they're based on weight. So if there's no per kilogram, then the medicine is not based on weight. So for 28 through 30 it says amoxicillin has been ordered for a 67 kilogram adult patient TID. So 67 kilogram adult patient. And if we look at the label, for the usual adult dosage, it says 250 to 500 milligrams every 8 hours. But we do not see any per kilogram here. So if it's an adult, it is not based on weight. Whereas if it's a child, it's 20 to 40 milligrams per kilogram. So if it were a child, it would be based on weight. But for an adult, it is not based on weight. So it's just 250 to 500 milligrams every 8 hours. So 28 says find the dosage range per day in milligrams. So the 250 to 500 milligrams, I need to multiply that by 3, and that's going to get me 750 to 15,000 milligrams. .29 says find the dosage range per dose in milligrams. This actually is just the original 250 to 500 milligrams. So they should have asked question 29 before they asked question 28, but they're kind of asking it out of order here. So the 250 to 500 milligrams, that's how much it is for just one dose. And 750 to 1500 is how much it is for the entire day. And then for 30, find the dosage range per dose in mLs. So I need to find my solution strength, which is right here, and put that in a proportion with my 250 to 500. Because it's per dose, and this is my per dose range, this was my day range. So because they're asking dose, I want to use the dose range. And then if I multiply this, 5 times 250 divided by 250 is 5. And then 5 times 500 divided by 250 is 10. So this is 5 to 10 mLs.